Is your Spectrum cable box not turning on or working? Don't worry, most issues can be resolved with a few simple steps. First, let's address the most common culprits: power, cables, and the boot process. We'll start with power. Check the AC adapter connected to your cable box. Make sure it's securely plugged into both the box and the wall outlet. Look for any signs of damage or overheating. Try unplugging the box for 30 to 60 seconds. This soft reset can often clear transient issues by discharging the power capacitors. If that doesn't work, ensure the outlet itself is working by plugging in another device. Next, examine the cable connections. Ensure the coaxial cable for TV signal and HDMI power cords are firmly connected. Weak signals can prevent booting. Finally, let's consider the boot process. When powered on, the box runs a firmware check, loads the OS, and syncs with the network. A stuck logo or error code may indicate a boot failure. Try safe mode booting by pressing and holding the power button for 10 seconds to bypass software hangs. If the basic troubleshooting steps didn't resolve the issue, there are more advanced fixes you can try. For cable-related boot failures, start with the cable unplug reset method. This involves disconnecting the coaxial cable from the box, unplugging the power cord for a full 5 minutes to allow capacitors to discharge completely, then reconnecting everything in order. This technique has shown a 90% success rate in resolving cable-related boot issues, as reported in user forums and support cases. Another advanced step is to check the HDMI handshake. The HDMI connection between your cable box and TV must be secure and functioning properly. A loose cable or faulty connector can interrupt the boot process. Try unplugging and replugging the HDMI cable, or test with a different cable or TV port. This ensures the box can properly communicate with your display device during startup. For more advanced diagnostics, download and use the Spectrum mobile app. The app provides remote access to your cable box, allowing you to check signal strength, view error logs, and run diagnostic tests without being near the equipment. You can receive real-time alerts about potential issues and follow guided troubleshooting steps directly from your smartphone. This feature has been enhanced in recent updates to include AI-driven recommendations. Spectrum is actively transitioning away from traditional cable boxes toward modern app-based streaming services. As of 2025, a significant number of users have adopted cable-less setups using the Spectrum TV app on smart TVs, Roku devices, and other streaming platforms. This shift eliminates the need for physical boxes, reducing power failures, cable issues, and boot problems. The app provides the same channels and features with improved reliability and flexibility. Looking ahead, the future points to the complete obsolescence of legacy cable boxes by 2027. Spectrum is heavily investing in cloud-based receivers that operate entirely through internet connections, booting virtually without any physical power cords or coaxial cables. This eliminates all traditional hardware dependencies. Additionally, AI-driven predictive maintenance features will become standard, sending proactive alerts to users about failing cables or potential issues before they cause problems. These advancements promise to significantly reduce service interruptions and repair needs. If you've exhausted all the advanced fixes and troubleshooting steps without success, it's time to contact Spectrum customer support. Be prepared to describe the exact symptoms, the basic and advanced steps you've already tried, and any error messages you've encountered. Support representatives can guide you through additional diagnostics, schedule technician visits for hardware replacement, or escalate complex issues to their technical teams. Remember to have your account information and equipment details ready when calling.